Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and I'm sorry if the screen quality is a little different. That is because I'm on a new screen. I can't even see my mic. Yeah, I literally just can't see it because it's blending in with the keyboard. Okay. Ah! Okay, that was the weirdest sound I've ever made. This level is easy. And boom, beat it. The screen quality is so different because it's on a smaller screen. This was the old screen before we replaced it with that white screen, and then we had a black screen that didn't work anymore. Yeah, we've had a lot of screens in the past. I see you, girl. I'm not gonna try and beat her. We're gonna do this together. Oh my god, no! My partner fell off. Yeah! I keep beating them on... Well, I'm not gonna say that because I might speak too soon. Well, hi. Bye. Bam! I just beat it a first try again. I'm really rocking right now. I hate this one though. Oh my god. I bet I beat it on first try again. Man, I was just on level 1 like a couple of minutes, like a couple seconds ago, I think. Like 20 seconds ago I was on level 1, now I'm on here. Or like 30 seconds or 40 seconds ago. And now I'm here. Oh, I hate this level. It distracts me. Oh, jeez. Yeah, see? That's my first time I didn't beat it on first try. I hate this level. I have to be so careful. Because all the colors, they could distract me. I just have to focus on my character. Perfect now. Okay. Now we can just go. Oh, jeez. Okay. Yeah, let's go. Oh, shoot! Shoot! We got Rainbow Girl still on level 1? Or did she rejoin? If you are watching this, I'm not trying to make fun of you. If you are watching this, comment down below. Did you rejoin? Or are you is that level just hard for you? Just comment if you are watching this. I don't mean to be mean. I'm so sorry. No, you're not going to do that. Yeah, but I'm so sorry if that sounds like I'm being rude to you. It doesn't. It's not supposed to. I'm just like saying she's still on level 1. If you are watching this, yeah, I'm not meaning to be rude to you. Anyways, guys, I love this game. I've been playing it more often. It's the only game I can even find right now. It's the only game I might actually be playing right now. Alright, so she's still on level 1, which makes me to believe that that level is just way too hard for her, or she's AFK. It might be the case. Because I'm looking with my 2 eyes right at her name, and she's still on level 1. Which makes me to believe that she just can't do it, or she's AFK. Which AFK means away from keyboard. Great. So how you guys doing today? I hope you're doing great. I forgot to ask you that at the beginning of the video. Yeah. The reason Marigold never changes her outfit because Marigold's literally my Roblox character. I didn't change her. I didn't change my Roblox character for Flower and Marigold. Oh, jeez! Alright, now she's off of level... Oh, she left. I hope I have enough the ability to get, like, voice chat probably in a couple years because I'm only 11. And yet, I can still play Roblox. Just the kid version of it. I hate this level! It's so hard! No! Oh, no! 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 Come on, this level is impossible. Alright, I just gotta focus. Why do I keep messing up? Level 27 is hard. Finally! I made it finally. It turns out I'm bad at that one when I'm not recording. I just died on purpose. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Okay. 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 So, yeah, I'm probably gonna be at level 27 off camera because, my screen capture can only capture 15 minutes. So, hopefully soon I can get premium so I can capture any recording as long as I want. And I can make any Flower and Marigold episode as long as I want. And as long as really shows are. Like, I can make them like 30 minutes. Like regular episodes of shows are. Like 30 minutes. Yeah, once I get premium, every Flower and Marigold episode will be 30 minutes, which might take a half hour to upload. So if any Flower and Marigold are new episodes, if I get premium, they will be like 30 minutes now. Once I get to 30 minutes, yeah. Oh, jeez. Yeah, me and Val haven't recorded Flower and Marigold in a while because I lost my old phone. So I'll be looking for it so me and Val can record Flower and Marigold again. Oh my god, I can't jump on here. Oh jeez. Ah, no! He completed it? Probably took him a while, but I think he completed it. Because I could not complete level 27 that one time. It was impossible. I kept dying. Ooh, jeez. Oh my god, I made that far jump? Are you kidding me? Oh, jeez! Level 29, then level 30? I can't wait to make it to level 30. I will finally complete speed run. Alright, there we go. Alright. I made it! This is basically the white level, just reverted. Anyone remember the white level I completed earlier in the video? This is basically it, just inverted. And the stages are a lot harder. Oh, jeez! She completed it! It must be easier on here. Alright. Let's keep going. Oh my god, this level hurt my eyes. Oh my god. Oh my god, my eyes are starting to water now. Ah! Ooh, ooh. Phew. Oh my god, this is the insane level! Shoot! I hope This is the insane level! I hate this one! It's literally so insane. Look how insane this level is! Oh jeez! No! You know what? I'm just gonna end this video off here. I will complete it off screen, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!